Welcome back, guys. Today we are going to be focusing on installing the plugins that we need in order to build our website. The first plugin that we're going to be installing is the starter template. So under the plugins tab, go to add new plugin, then search for starter template. Once you have it here, select install now and then activate. Once you select activate, you'll be taken to this screen. You can choose to use AI-aided website builder or go with the classic starter template. We are going to go with the classic starter template since we're not doing anything AI just yet. So select build with templates. And then from here, you can choose whichever template you want to use as a starter for your website. They have multiple categories, so you can go through and select whichever one you want. For our purposes, we're just going to select this one here. So click it, then you'll be taken to the customization screen. We won't be customizing the template right away here, so let's just go ahead and click through these steps. From this feature selection, we're also not going to be selecting anything because anything you select here will also go ahead and bring in additional plugins that you may not want. So skip this step. Then here, you don't really need to enter any information about yourself, and be sure to uncheck share non-sensitive data. Go ahead and select submit and build my website and wait a couple minutes for your website to be built. And there we go. Your website is now complete. You can go ahead and view your website by clicking this button. So this is what your website currently looks like, and you can go ahead and modify each of the pages of this website. In order for you to get to these pages though, you need to go back into your dashboard. So hover over your website name, then select dashboard. From here, if you go to pages, you can see all of your pages are listed here, and you can go ahead and click into them and make changes. But before we do that, let's go ahead and install the other plugins that we'll be needing to build out our website. So go back to plugins. Then the next plugin that we want to install is called Elementor. So let's search for Elementor and hit enter. Then you want to select install now and activate. Elementor is one of the top website builders in WordPress. So most websites are built using this website builder here. So you really need to be able to use this. So I'll be showing you how you can build your website using Elementor, not just Elementor, but the free version of Elementor. Another very important plugin that you need to install that works with Elementor is called Elementor Header and Footer. What this will allow you to do is to create customized header and footer for your websites using the free version of Elementor. So go back to add new plugin, then search for Elementor Header and Footer Builder. Then select install now and activate. Next plugin that we're going to be installing is called Duplicate Page. And what this will allow you to do is to duplicate any page or post that you've already created. And that will save you a whole lot of time if you're creating similar pages or posts for your website. We also need something to create forms, so like a contact form. And the best plugin to do that right now is called WP Forms. So let's go ahead and install that one as well. This is what it looks like. Click install now and then activate. And with that, guys, we are done. These are all the essential plugins that you need right now in order for us to start building out our website. As you go along, we may add new plugins to this list, and we'll be able to see exactly why we need them and what we'll be using them to do. But for right now, these are the only ones that you need. In our next video, I'm going to show you how you can set up a coming soon page. If you go over to your website name here and select to visit site, you will see that the template is currently live. And while you're building your new website, you don't want persons to be able to go to your domain and see the website that you're building. So in order to prevent that from happening, what you need to do is to create a coming soon page. So that is what we'll be covering in our next video. So subscribe to the channel, leave a comment and let me know what you think. And I will see you next time where I'll be going over how to create a coming soon page using Elementor in WordPress.